get along just fine here on our own. What you offering? Another money mind. Oh, you wanna rob me blind? Well, I don't know this time. Oh,
Hi guys, welcome to another PKTV Productions. I know it's been a while and we've done a lot of streaming nowadays, but here we go. This is a traditional PKTV video, and here it is, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. That is a mouthful. So this is the top tier one. This is the 1 terabyte in graphite. Midnight Graphite, or oh no, that's Midnight is the name of the case, but this is graphite. So we're going to take a look at what's inside here. We're going to compare it to the 12 Max, and we're also going to see how it fits. And if you're wondering what I'm shooting on at the moment, I'm actually shooting on the iPhone 13 Pro Max right now for this intro video, just to show you exactly what the quality is like with HDR and with that 1x lens. So guys, we're gonna go and unbox this and I'll show you what this thing is made of. Hi guys, we have the iPhone 13 Pro Max and we're about to unbox it. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, as you can see right there, and this is the 1 terabyte model, so it's the biggest one you can get in an iPhone. So let's see what we have in the box. As you can see right there, this is the graphite version of this one. So it's no longer space gray, it is graphite. So we're looking at the box here, pretty similar setup to most things that we have here today, except the way you open it. You've got the 2 tabs here. Let's open her up. And there we have it, guys. This is the iPhone front and center. As you can see right here, this is the back in graphite glory. Right, let's take a look at this iPhone at a closer look here. As you can see, this is that steel rim here, classic to all the iPhones before it. And we have our classic lightning board, of course. And we've got this nice mirror finish, as you can see around the rim there. It's really nice. Screen looks as great as it is actually a bit more taller, a bit more thinner, and a bit more larger when we launch this on to see how it is. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. As you can see, image quality isn't the same, but you can see the image quality is a lot better obviously on the 13 Pro Max. Let's get this set up and see how this thing rolls.
tell me what to do.
Well, let's take a closer look at this. Now, you can see right up here, I've got 2 images on Google here, and you can see the notch right there is a big difference. The Pro Max, the 12 Pro Max is a lot larger than the actual smaller, more compact notch. It is pretty much a lot smaller than you would see traditionally on the iPhone last generation. But as you can see, obviously, if you have it black, like I always do, you can hardly see it anyway, regardless of what you have. But you certainly do have a little bit more screen real estate, having that notch a little bit smaller. As you can see, the size difference, I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but the 13 Pro Max is actually a lot thinner than the current model of the 12 Pro Max. And you can see at the back here, it is definitely a lot thicker, wider, the 12 Pro Max in combination with the 13 Pro Max. Cameras look very similar. They're slightly bigger on the 13 Pro Max, as you can see right there, but you got to be looking for that and having it right there. Okay guys, so this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, as you can see in all its glory, and this is in Graphite, or the 1TB model, and we're going to do a couple more videos on this in the future, guys, and this is definitely one of my favorite iPhones yet. We're going to be testing out that camera, and I'm going to be letting you know, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.